Hello YouTube. I'm going to show a little arrangement of Between the Bars by Elliott Smith. And the chords in this are A minor 7, open position, F major 7. I'm just using the 3 fingers with the high E. C, it's very easy to move between the F and the C. You're just going to take your ring and your middle finger and move them up one string. Now in this song you can also play that C with taking your index finger off. Gives it like a kind of a jazzy feel. And then we're going to play G, but we're not going to use our pinky down here. We're just going to basically play the top 5 strings 6 through 2. But you know, you don't have to get too technical. If you just hit a few strings, that's okay. Probably the hardest chord in this song would be the F minor, which is a bar chord. But you can play that just by barring the first 4 strings. You're just not playing the strings 5 and 6 are not being played when you play like this. That's the easy way to play your minor chords. All right, and all right, this kind of has a little bit of a waltz feel almost. So let me do a little demo. Drink up, baby, stay up all night. Things you could do, you won't, but you might. Potential you'll be, you'll never see. Promises you'll only make. Repeats, that's the verse sequence, and it repeats. And it goes into the chorus. People you've been before. It repeats 3 times. F, G, A minor 7, F, G, A minor 7, F minor. That's pretty much the whole song right there. So let's get into the verse a little more, and then we'll do the chorus, and we'll try to keep this short because I'm trying to make a simple arrangement that, you know, and any person who knows a few chords could play. And I would say if you're going to sing this, start low, because the chorus, then you can go to a higher octave for the chorus. So we have the A minor 7, which is just very similar to a C, except you're not using your ring finger. So the root is this A string. And you're not playing the 6th string. The low E is not being played. But you are playing the high E. And you could play the low E. But Then we're going to play our E, Z, F shape, which is just index finger on the first fret, string 2, middle finger on the second fret, string 3, and ring finger on the third fret, string 4. And on this one, you can play the E in that. You should play the E. That makes it an F major 7. Then it goes to C. You can play it without your index finger, and it gives it an F major 7. A C major 7 feel. So that's the easy way to play C major 7 is just C, just like this. And then G, you're going to play the same way. And I think that's a G6, but you could just think of it as the jazzy G, jazzy C, jazzy F. All right. Drink up, baby. Chord change. Stay up all night. Chord change. Things you could do. Chord change. You won't, but you might. Back to the beginning. You'll be C. When you get to the part where it says promises you'll only make, then promises. E7 is a new chord I haven't covered. It starts the same, A minor 7, F, and then it goes to C, but instead of going to G, it goes to quick change to E7, and then back to F. Be aware that the E7 is a passing chord on the way to F. Promises you'll only make. And it repeats the verse, and then it goes to chorus. Chorus, we're gonna go people, jazzy G, F to jazzy G. You've been before, and I play the full A minor here. That repeats, F, G, full A minor. And you can strum it like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it repeats again. So people you've been before don't want around anymore. Push and they'll shove and won't bend to your will. All that stays the same, F, G to A minor. But when he sings, I'll keep them still, that is gonna go F. I'll keep them still. So I think that's pretty much it. We could talk strumming. Okay, so that's the easy arrangement of Elliott Smith's Between the Bars. There's nothing that is terribly difficult in there. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for watching. There's a little riff that he plays in the chorus. That is simply just walking up the scale, starting with open A, middle finger on 2nd fret, 5th string, to the 3rd fret, 5th string, open 4th string, middle finger on the 2nd fret 4th string, so you can climb it up and then climb it back down if you want to, but that's a totally optional part. If you're a beginner, just leave that out.